Indoor air quality.
Kick off the weekend.
So there you have it. Some HVAC
Efficiency.
systems.
Let's go again. Microphone test 1, 2. What is this?
The guy talk, but you guys are.
Oh, I'm sure his personality is good.
Really? You wanna?
Oh,
It's becoming so popular. I would say. One more thing. Do not forget to press the like button and subscribe. Or you could press the like button twice. Or is it 3 times?
For what?
you know, heating and cooling could be so fun.
Yeah, very awesome.
What?
No!
We're trying our best to make this stuff interesting. Have your furnace a layer of junk on it. What happened? No, I don't like water. Yeah?
Good.
Oh, okay. I didn't think you guys would like that one. What is up, everyone?